In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a character on Talkie AI. We'll go from finding the website to publishing your finished Talkie step by step, with simple tips to make your character engaging and ready to chat. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Talkie AI and open the official Talkie AI website. On the home page, look for the Create a Talkie button and click it. If you see a second Create a Talkie prompt, click that as well to open the editor. In the editor, begin with a name. Pick something short, memorable, and relevant to your character's role. Next, choose a gender option that suits the persona you're building. Now add the character's background and key characteristics. Describe who they are, what they know, and how they speak. Include a few traits, areas of expertise, and any boundaries to keep responses on track. After that, write the opening. This is the first message your talkie will say to break the ice, so make it friendly, on-brand, and specific. Add a brief intro too. Think of it as a 1 or 2 sentence summary users can read to understand your talkie at a glance. Then add a skill. Use this to outline a concrete ability, like answering FAQs, role-playing as a guide, or summarizing articles. Clear skills help the talkie stay focused. To make your talkie more engaging, add an image. Click the plus sign in the image area. You can generate an image or upload your own. To upload, choose Upload my image, then click or drag to upload an image from your computer, select the file you want, and confirm. Aim for a clear, well-lit picture that matches the character's vibe. A square or centered portrait generally looks best, and always use artwork you have rights to. Next, choose a voice that matches the style of your character. When you've found the one you like, click Use to apply it. When everything looks good, the name, details, image, and voice. Finish by clicking Publish. Your talkie will go live, and you can return to edit or refine it anytime if you want to improve the opening, tweak traits, or swap images. Keep descriptions concise and consistent, which helps the model stick to the persona you designed. If the interface looks a little different, look for similarly named fields. The flow remains the same. That's it. You've created a talkie from scratch, complete with personality, visuals, and a voice. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building.